Alright, hey guys, so I'm doing some basic routine maintenance on the Jeep today, and one of the things that I'm changing out is something that I feel people often neglect inside their Jeep, and that is the cabin air filter. A lot of Jeeps, from what I understand, don't even come with these from the factory, and after X amount of miles you really do want to change them. So what I have are just these Fram Fresh Breeze. You can see that the air filter comes in two pieces because a singular air filter just would not fit into the location. So I'm just gonna real quick show you how to switch these out today. All right. So you might not know it, but behind the Jeep's glove box, and you'll see that there are two tabs on each side, and you just want to go ahead and push those in. See these guys right here? And then your glove box will simply come off. All right, so you'll see that there's this little almost grate piece right here that's made out of plastic, and the left is pretty easy to access, but the right you can't get open all the way because of the orientation of the dash and where it's at. So first thing you need to do is put your key in your ignition, and you'll see this little damper opens up. And then what you're going to want to do is simply lift this little gate, and you'll be able to pull your old cabin air filter out. And yeah, look at that, it's got a bunch of junk in it. All right. And then remove the other section. Oh yeah, that's really dirty. It's probably been about 20,000 miles since I've switched these. Okay, and then we'll simply slide this guy back in over to the right, make sure that it's in place. There's kind of only one way that these can go in, and then slide this guy into place. And if you notice that your AC is not blowing as strong as it once did, it could even be that your cabin air filters are just so dirty that you're not getting great airflow. All right, so make sure that those are both properly in place. Close that up, and it's just that simple. All right, and then when we're done, you see these two little legs right here. Those simply just go into place, and then we press back in on these guys. You can see it's back in place, and then there you go. And it's just that easy. And like I said, guys, a lot of Jeeps, from what I've heard, didn't even come with cabin air filters from the factory. You can pick up a set of new filters for, I think I got these for $13 on Amazon. You can't tell, but there's a lot of stuff in there, little bits of particulate, a lot of dust. And yeah, it's just another piece of routine maintenance that you should be doing on your Jeep. All right, well, I hope you guys found this somewhat useful. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Remember to hit the notification bell, and as always, feel free to subscribe. All right, you guys take it easy.